Hey friends, welcome to another video of View's Playtime. As you can see, we have our friend today here. His name is Marshall, yes, from Paw Patrol. So we're gonna color it and paint it, and I hope you like it. Okay, let's get started. Alright, so we're gonna start with color red first, because most of the suit that he has, his clothes, is red, right? Okay, so now we finish the red hat, not completely, but with just the red part. So we're going to his jacket now, okay? All right, let's keep going. Now we continue with the color white. Okay, so we're going to do white now. Okay, yeah, we just finished the white, and now we're going with the yellow. And now we continue with color black. Yes, color black. And now we're gonna put these stickers. Okay, where this one goes? I think this one goes right here. Yep. Then we got this one here. This one goes right there. Yes. Now we got his eyes. Look guys, we made it. Here it is. It's all done. Wow. We painted, and here's Marshall. Thank you for being here in another video of View's Playtime. Please don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time. Bye!